Good morning, everyone. Mike Arada is speaking here again. The Vladimir Putin war in Ukraine will be finished soon. There will time came to reconstruct the country. Together we can do it. We cannot eliminate the scars on the hearts and souls of people. We cannot wake up the dead who has been shot down or killed. But we can help to reconstruct the country, homes, businesses together. Industry 5.0 is ready to do that. Every single ambassador, including Nikolai, the ambassador in Ukraine. It is our aim to build wasteless world for all, not to kill for few to have more money or influence. So my request to all of you, let us unite and build Ukraine, so as Belarus, so as other by war struck destination again. Let's build strong nations which will help to maintain strong planet. For all to live on. If you have a question, just let me know. We are here all together. Have a nice time, free of waste and wasting in all its forms. Stay safe and free. Bye-bye.